If you guys love donuts and have been missing this for a while, then let me tell you this is the most easiest and the simplest recipe of making donuts with just basic ingredients. You don't need any yeast, you don't need any eggs, and with just basic ingredients you can make fluffy, soft donuts just as the market. Let's get started, but before starting, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed and give a thumbs up to this video. First of all, we'll start making our buttermilk. For that, I have taken 1/4 cup of milk, and to that I am adding 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. If you want, you can add 1 teaspoon of vinegar as well. Just stir it a bit and leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes until the milk curdles. For the dry ingredients, we need 1.5 cup of flour, that is 1.5 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, pinch of salt, and some cinnamon powder. Next up, I am adding 1/4 cup of sugar. This is the normal granulated sugar. You can use caster sugar or whatever you have at hand. Just mix everything all together. Now it's time to add our wet ingredients. We will be adding our prepared buttermilk, 2 tablespoons of curd, any homemade curd or regular Amul ka dahi you can use, whatever is available. If your dough seems bit dry, you can add in some more milk, or if it turned out to be too sticky, you can add in some more flour. Just make sure the milk is at the room temperature. Now we'll be adding 2 tablespoons of butter, and it's time to make our hands dirty. We'll be kneading this for about 10 to 15 minutes so that इसमें अच्छे से gluten form हो जाए, because as we are not using any yeast here, so by kneading this for about 10 to 15 minutes we'll make sure it turns out fluffy. Now we'll be covering this for at least half an hour. 1 hour would work better. Now dust some flour in your counter, and it's time to roll our donut ka dough. I have divided this equally into small portions so that it is easier for me to roll out. And इसको ज़्यादा पतला नहीं रोल करना है. We just need to roll it थोड़ा सा thick. And if you don't have any donut cutter, I have this jugaadu for you all. You can use any katori or any container ka dhakkan, whatever you have, and a small container ka dhakkan. I'm using a nozzle tip here, but you can use any container, whatever you have, 2 different sizes, and just cut out the donuts. We will be frying this until it is golden brown in color, and the flame should be from low to medium, not too high, because इससे जो है donuts कच्चा रह जाएगा अंदर and your donuts will not be perfect. And let it cool it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll be melting our chocolate. You can use any dip, whatever you want. I am using here dark chocolate. You can use milk chocolate, white chocolate, or you can have it as it is. Just dip it in some dip or chocolate syrup or chocolate, whatever you have, and top it up with any of your favorite toppings. I'm using here some sprinkles. Also, I'll be adding some chopped almonds. You can add cashew or any other toppings, whatever you like. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did so, please go and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. It would encourage me to make more such videos for you guys. And don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section on how did it turn out. This is Anya signing off. Till then, happy eating.